Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we'll look at the solution to last week's coding challenge. So for any of you who haven't seen it, make sure to check out that video first by clicking on the link on your screen or in the video description. For the rest of you, let's dive straight into the solution. First though, I'd like to propose a clever way of looking at this problem. Let's take our string of 10 digits and split it arbitrarily in 2 points. We now have 3 groups, above which we can indicate their lengths. In this case we have 3, 2, and 5. Now let's ask ourselves, what is the maximum value which the first number can take? Well, if we stare at it long enough, we can see that the maximum value is 8. Leading to an 8-1-1 split. So we can say that the first number will be contained in range 1 to 9, which, as we know, contains all the numbers from 1 to 8. Now then, what is the maximum value of the second number? Think about it hard, as the answer is not as easy as you might think. Then make sure to write your thoughts in the comments below. Now then, I'm sure most of you have said 8. That is technically true, but in the context of our problem, what if the first number was 5, for example? Well, if the last number was still 1, then the maximum value of the second number would be 4. So if we were to translate this into Python, we'd say that the value of the second number is contained in range 1 to 10 minus n1. So now you can clearly see that if the first number n1 is equal to 1, then the second number n2 can indeed have a maximum value of 8. But if the first number is greater than 1, then the second number will have a lower maximum value. Now then, we have a simple range function to define our first number. We have a more complex range function to define our second number, depending on the value of the first. So of course, you'd expect to have to find an even more complex range function for the third number. Well, what if I told you that the value of the third number is actually the easiest to calculate out of all 3? But wait, let's not spoil the fun just yet. Now that I've given you these useful hints, why not have another go at the challenge and see if you can complete it or improve your solution if you already have one? I'll leave you one more week to accomplish this, after which I will show you the solution using the concepts we illustrated today. With that, I wish you once again the best of luck in completing the challenge, and I look forward to seeing you all next week for the final reveal. In the meantime, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other videos by clicking on the link on your screen. For now, however, thank you all for watching, and until next time, happy coding!